Hey, what's it, third graders? I'm Mr. Saul, and I'll be your science teacher this year. And I'm so excited to start learning with you guys again. I know that this week you're going to be starting on FLVS, or Florida Virtual Learning School. And it's a really great science curriculum. You guys are going to be learning a lot of stuff, and I will be there to help you along every step of the way. I know, so this week you guys are starting on learning about magnets, and magnets are really cool. You can do all kinds of amazing stuff with them. They're used in industry and technology. Your phones use them. You have them on your refrigerator. Jewelry uses them. There's all kinds of really great uses for magnets. So I want to show you guys some of these things that we can do. Okay, so here I have my experiment set up. I have a ring magnet hanging from a piece of tape inside of my box, and then down here I have a paper clip also tied to a string. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this paper clip up so that it enters the magnetic field, or the area where the magnet has an effect, and you can see I'm already making that magnet move just by moving the paper clip. So if I put it in just the right spot, I can actually make the paper clip hang without touching anything. I can even take this piece of paper and slide it in between the magnet and the paper clip, and you can see that there's nothing holding the paper clip there. So what this means is that there's an invisible force between the magnet and the paper clip that's holding that paper clip up, okay? That invisible force is called the magnetic field. Okay, so let's look at some more magnet stuff. So earlier I mentioned that magnetic field, that invisible field that is produced when a magnet interacts with another piece of metal. So what I have here, this is my iron filings, okay? And it's like a black powder, and I have some right here. And what it basically is it's just little tiny pieces of metal, just iron, just tiny little like iron dust, okay? So then right here, I have one of our magnets, that ring magnet, just like the other one, and I've taped it down to the table so it's not gonna move. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this piece of paper with the filing and see if you can see that magnetic field that's usually invisible, that same magnetic field that held up the paper clip. Are you starting to see any movement that might be coming from that magnet? I'm just sliding the paper around. Ooh. So, what is causing the iron filings to move in this manner? Why are they doing this? This is once again because of that magnetic field. Usually it's invisible, but these iron filings let us see what that magnetic field actually looks like. And if I'm going to get down close like this, you can see that they're also standing up when they roll over that magnet. All right. So I hope you guys have a great time this week studying magnets on Florida Virtual Learning, and I will check in with you guys again next week.